Another surge for Cardano overnight. We're seeing Cardano almost up 5% as we're currently recording. This is one, guys, where it's been very, very great to see a little bit of price action. And we're actually doing a Cardano price prediction here on the channel that is something where we look at this Cardano surge being far from over. So these are good times. These are good times to be alive, to be into ADA. These are ones where, it's been a long time coming, back from buying Cardano less than 25 cents to here where we are at right here, right now. Exciting times within crypto. All right, I'm going to break it all down for you guys in this video. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well. And if you guys hold ADA, let everyone here know on YouTube by putting that ADA down below in the chat. And let's get it going, okay? So this is what we're seeing as this price surge is far from over. I'm going to share with you guys a little bit what's going on within some of the numbers, some of the themes that we're seeing, and price trends back from historical data that's going to let you guys know what we need to look for as we move forward. Because, guys, we're in territory that we haven't been in quite some time. Cardano is brushing upon 70 cents. We all know how that psychological barrier is going to react and behave. Okay, so let me break it down for you guys. Make sure you guys all stick around to the end of this video because we're facing that resistance at 70 cents, okay? And this is where we've picked up a little pace, a little bit of momentum, and now Cardano with a little bit of consolidation. And I'm going to pull up the TradingView chart for you guys just to show exactly what's going on within Cardano, okay? But this is where we're starting to see a lot of good price momentum, okay? And this is one where you can see the chart right here, 68 cents, a little bit of above that 70 cents level overnight in having a little bit of sell-off, but now we're bouncing back real nicely, okay? And that's what we want to have. We want to have more and more basically support formed for Cardano. So back into the chart, and I'm going to talk to you guys about these numbers because the 100-day simple moving average, right, on a 4-hour chart is something where we look at Cardano. That's exactly what we're trading at right now. And we're holding on to these gains, guys. This is important. Like I said, we're establishing a new floor and basically having this bullish trend continue, okay, with a huge support now established around 64 cents. That's where we could keep the bulls active, okay? And it's been something, guys, where haven't really had to make these videos in a while because Cardano hasn't been on the move like it is right now. And this is something where it's piggybacking a little bit off of Bitcoin with their run up almost touching 70K. Where, if you think about that, guys, overall, that is just crazy, crazy stuff to talk about. But Cardano is seeing another increase on the way. Okay, that's what we're looking at. Like we said, in that positive zone, establishing that new positive zone. We look at that 70 cents resistance where the bears are firmly identifying as a resistance line. And this is what we're seeing, guys. We're seeing these levels right here. Okay, this is what we're looking at as being a resistance right here at that 69, 68 cents. And right here is our support around 66 cents for Cardano. Okay, well, that's all good stuff. That's a positive step in the new direction that we're looking at, because once we get over 70 cents, that's when we can start talking about ADA hitting $1. And if you agree with some of the price predictions from ADA Whale, from a couple other people out there within Cardano, this is just the beginning. Okay, so obviously, stuff can change on a dime within crypto, but I definitely do not see, with Bitcoin running how it's going and what catalyst we have in 2024, I really would be suspicious of seeing any downside correction for Cardano. Okay, but that's something where we look at what we're seeing. The MACD for Cardano having some bullish momentum in this zone that we're in. That's something I'm going to be keeping an eye on. Seeing the RSI now above the 50 line for Cardano. That's another one where we look at if it's going to be a buying or selling event for Cardano. And then, like I said earlier in the video, guys, the major resistance lines have been at that 67, 69, and 70 cents, albeit for psychological reasons. But, guys, it still exists. So right now it's just going to be a big jockey, a big volley with what we're doing within these lines. Right here on the chart, I got one established there. And basically right here on the chart where we can see this blue line and this red line forming what we're looking at from a support level and a resistance level. And this is that bracket right here that I'm showing you guys on your screen where I'm looking at for this consolidation zone where we're either going to break out and Cardano is going to go even higher and then get through that 70 cents barrier, or they're going to break down and then we're going to fall off basically somewhere in the 62, 63 cents range, okay? Because that is a much deeper support line that you can see dating back into the earlier parts of February where it's not just been on this huge tick. But, guys, this is an outstanding run we've seen since basically February 28th Just seeing all this momentum, guys, over 13% in less than 1 day's time that we had on the chart. So it's a great day to own Cardano. Let's keep these gains going into the weekend, up almost 5% at the time of recording. Trading hands at that 68, 69 cents range. All good things happening in crypto, guys, but always not a crystal ball. So everything on crypto, can, like I said, can change on a turn of a dime. So stay vigilant, stay safe out there. Make sure you guys do all your own homework and research when it comes down to your own crypto investments. But for me, Cardano is very bullish. I'm going to keep gaining this momentum alongside it. And obviously, guys, my Cardano holdings, if you guys know what they are at from watching my videos, watching this channel, you know that all my Cardano stuff is not going to be sold one way or another. So we're all along for the ride. So strap in. It's going to be exciting 2024. I hope you guys all consider subscribing on your way out. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.